Today we will solve the model question paper from VTU, which they have uploaded in their official website. The link for that I'll provide in the description. So I've downloaded the question paper and we'll try to solve all the problematic question which they have given in the question paper. So from the module 1, so if you have any doubt you can verify with the subject code. That is for the Python. We'll solve it. 1 BPLC 105B, that is from 25 scheme, which is they have newly introduced. Explain the concept. It is all theory. This question is about theory. We'll not go for that. That is a bit easier. So we'll go for the problem, that is develop a Python program with a while loop to display the Fibonacci sequence up to n terms entered by the user. So here are several things to take care of. One is they have been asked to create a Fibonacci sequence with the while loop, and another thing is they have asked to enter the up to n terms which has entered by the user. We have to take care of about this thing. We have to take the input so that the user can give the values to how many terms till n terms he want the Fibonacci sequence, and Fibonacci sequence is the summation of previous two values, and within Fibonacci sequence 0 and 1 will be common, and the next term will be summation of those two numbers, that is 0 plus 1 is 1 and then 1 plus 1 is 2. It means the summation of those two numbers, previous two numbers. So we'll see how can we solve this using Python. So for that we will just go with the normal IDLE, then we'll create a new file. Then here first thing is we have to take values input from the user, so that he can give the values for us till n terms. So we'll take a variable, that is n equals to int. We are converting the value which the user will give to integer. Then we'll take the input, that is input enter a number of terms. Yeah, he will give the input, then that will be converted to integer, that will be saved to n. The variable will hold the number of terms which we want, which the user want to generate a Fibonacci sequence. Then we need two variables, that is a and b, which should be initialized to 0 comma 1 respectively. Yeah, see here, a will be initialized to 0, b will be initialized to 1. Then those two numbers will be initialized to those values which we have given. Then we need another variable, that is count equals to 0, so that we have to use through while loop. For example, while count less than n, it means count, we have to increment the value of count until and unless the value of count is less than n. We have to run this while loop. Then colon, remember to put the colon because many of the students miss this colon part. Then we just have to print a, then and with a small space here, then a comma b is equals to, here the value is being swapped. I'll explain you until I finish typing. So the value of a value will be given to a, and the a plus b value will be given to b. So the windows will be switched, like it will be incremented. For example, 0 comma 1, when then the value will be value of a will be 0 and the value of b will be 1, and after this value of b will be given to a, and value of a plus b, that is 0 plus 1, will be given to b. For the first instance it will be same, for the second instance it will be changing. Then count, we just have to increment it by this way, count plus equals to 1, which is equals to count plus plus. And to check the output we have to save it somewhere. We'll save it in downloads or anything, Fibonacci.py, save it, and to run it just hit F5, enter number of terms. For example, we just need 5 number of terms. For example, we just have to give it. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Here is the solution for the first question, that is 1b. 1B question we have solved it correctly. For the second, this one I'll upload the second video for the college 3 and plus 1. We'll slowly try to cover every program question which they have given. Additionally, we'll solve some other question.